guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. So today I've come up with another new recipe, that too under 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's move into this recipe and let's look into the preparation of this particular tomato onion gravy. For this recipe, we would be needing about 1 cup of sliced onion. Next is tomato puree. Here I have taken about 1 cup of tomato puree. I have prepared it at home itself. Next, we would be needing about 2 inch of ginger finely chopped. Here I have taken about 1 sprig of curry leaves. Next, we need green chili. Here I have taken about 3 green chilies which I have slit it in the center. So guys, for spices, here I have taken about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, coriander powder. Here I have taken, that is 1 teaspoon. Next, we require oil. So here I have taken coconut oil about half tablespoon. Next, salt as per our taste. So yeah, here I have taken pan. Into that I have added oil and now I have added ginger, and now I'm going to saute this ginger very nicely. After that, we would be adding curry leaves and we'll again saute this curry leaves as well. Now into this I am adding green chili, and all the 3 ingredients we are going to saute it nicely. Make sure that your flame is on low. Add red chili powder, and again we are going to saute this red chili powder also nicely. So basically we are going to add spices one by one and we are going to saute it nicely. So here I have added turmeric powder, I have added coriander powder. Yeah guys, all this while make sure that your flame is on low and not on high, because if it is on high there are chances of the spices getting burnt. So after all the raw taste of the spices have vanished away, we are going to add onion into this and we are going to saute it nicely, making sure that each and every onion has been coated nicely with our masala. So guys, we are going to saute this onion till it turns a little bit soft and mushy in nature. So it might take about 2 to 3 minutes. So now, just to speeden up the process of softening of onion, I have added a little bit of salt in this, and this will enhance the process of softening of onion. Next, we are going to add our tomato puree in this, and again we are going to mix it well. So at this point, after you add your onion, make sure that you have increase your flame to medium from low. So yeah, make sure that all the raw taste of the puree has gone away, vanished away. And now you can see here it's bubbling up, it's simmering. So once it simmers, we are going to add sufficient water into this, because we are preparing a gravy sort of consistency of this onion. So we'll add water as much as we require. So guys, again for the spices that I have told you, here I have added about 2 onions. So the spices I have given you according to 2 onions basically. So if you are adding more onion or less onion, so you alter the spices likewise according to your wish. Here I am adding salt as per my taste, and now I'm going to mix it well, and after it comes to a simmer, our onion gravy is ready. So guys, you can see here it hardly took about even 10 minutes in that case for this onion gravy to be prepared. So I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did like, please do give a thumbs up and also share this with your family and friends as much as possible guys. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to Spice and Mix, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe it, and also like the video, share this video, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notifications.